How to delete a profile on Hulu. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the way to delete a profile on Hulu. In order to delete a profile on Hulu, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your Hulu account. For that case, type in www.hulu.com and that's going to take you to their official page. Enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once logged in, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and then a drop down menu appears. From there, go ahead and select manage profile. When you select manage profile, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and select the profile which you actually want to delete and tap the pencil shape icon located next to it. As you click on it, a pop-up menu appears once again. Then you can either change your information or you could go ahead and select delete profile located right at the bottom. When you do that, it's going to take you to the confirmation page stating the information. So if you're sure about deleting your profile, click on delete profile, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully deleted your profile on Hulu. So that's how you can delete a profile on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.